Today I want to show you how you change your blade on your DEWALT miter saw. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. For the installation you need a combination wrench included with the saw, features a T30 Torx on one end and a 6mm hex hand on the other side. For older DEWALT models, a 30mm wrench may be necessary to loosen the arbor bolt. First, disconnect the power. Ensure the saw is unplugged from the power source to prevent accidental starts. Lift the saw arm to the highest position to access the blade area comfortably. Access the blade guard. Locate the two screws on the blade guard bracket. Loose the screws to allow the lower guard to pivot upwards. Carefully raise the lower guard to expose the blade fully. Now you can see the arbor bolt. Engage the spindle lock. Press the spindle lock button located near the blade. While holding the button, rotate the blade by hand until it locks, preventing the blade from turning. Now loosen the blade bolt using the 6mm hex head of the provided wrench or a 30mm wrench for older models. Turn the blade bolt to loosen and remove it. Remove the blade. Take off the outer clamp washer and carefully remove the old blade from the spindle. Now clean the blade area. Use a clean cloth or compressed air to remove any dust or debris from the blade area. Now install the new blade. Place the new blade onto the spindle, ensuring the teeth face downwards at the front of the saw. Reattach the outer clamp washer and insert the blade bolt. Now secure the blade. Hold the spindle lock button again and tighten the arbor bolt. Reposition the blade guard. Lower the blade guard back into place and test the installation. Plug the saw back into the power source. Briefly start the saw to ensure the blade runs smoothly and is correctly installed.